how to withdraw crypto from Mexc to another wallet or exchange. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Mexc to another wallet or exchange. For example, this is how to transfer Bitcoin from Mexc to another wallet. So firstly, you want to go to Wallets in the top right and then click on Withdraw. On the next screen in the top drop down, you want to pick the crypto you plan to withdraw. For this example, I'm going to pick USDT, which is already selected. Below this, as I am sending this to another wallet, I want to make sure that this is set to address. You will then need the wallet address and network of where you want to send your crypto to, and you will get this from your other wallet or exchange. In this example, I'm going to transfer my crypto to Bybit, but generally speaking, you can find the wallet address of where you are transferring your crypto to by going to the other exchange and looking for the word deposit or deposit crypto. If you want a tutorial for how to find a wallet address for a specific exchange that you may be using, then I recommend checking out my channel, as I have videos explaining how to find wallet addresses on lots of different exchanges. So now I'm on Bybit. Once you are in the deposit crypto section of the exchange you are transferring to, you would then pick the crypto you want to deposit. So in my case, USDT. Next, to get your wallet address on Bybit, you need to pick the network you plan to send your crypto over. If we flip back to Mexc for a second, if you click on the network drop down, you can see all the networks that Mexc can send USDT on, along with associated fees and estimated arrival times. I'm going to pick one of the cheaper but faster ones, which is Optimism. And I'm going to go back to Bybit and check that Bybit can receive USDT on Optimism, which they can because they have it as Op Mainnet. I appreciate the name isn't exactly the same, so if you're ever in doubt, then just Google to check if the network is the same. So now I have picked the network. Bybit has given me my wallet address for this specific crypto and network. Wallet addresses will vary if you change either your cryptocurrency or network, and it's critical to pick the correct corresponding wallet address and network when transferring crypto, otherwise you risk losing your funds. I'm going to copy my wallet address from Bybit, and it's always worth copying the address or scanning the QR code rather than typing it manually. So now I'm back on Mexc. If you're likely to send to this wallet address again, then you can add the wallet address to your address book by pressing the Manage Addresses button to the right of the address box. But I'm not going to do that today, so I'm just going to paste my wallet address in here and make sure the network is set to Optimism, which it already is. Below this, you can then key in the amount you want to send, or to send your balance of this specific crypto that you hold on Mexc, you can press Select All. So in my case, I'm going to send all of my USDT to Bybit, and you can now see any associated fees. And with this, there is a transaction fee of 0.036 USDT. And the amount received at my other wallet will be 10.3684. Once you're happy with this, you can press Submit, and you will get the chance to review this transaction. It's always worth reviewing the crypto, network, and other details before sending. And in addition to this, if it's your first time transferring to a wallet, then it's always worth sending a small test amount of crypto first, because if you key in the details wrong, then you will lose your funds. Depending on your security settings, you may need to supply some MFA information. So in my case, I need to supply a 6-digit code from my email and from my Authenticator app. And once you're happy with everything, you can press Submit. And then after a period of time, as denoted by the network you picked earlier, your crypto should turn up on your other wallet. Please be aware that sometimes some crypto networks suffer from congestion, so the time suggestion is an estimate. For those looking for new exchanges, I have put some links of the ones I use down in the description below, where some of them have deposit bonuses, and I may get a kickback if you sign up using them, and it massively helps support this channel, and I will be forever thankful. So anyway, that is how to withdraw crypto from Mexc to another wallet or exchange. If you got any value from this video, then please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe. as I upload new finance and crypto related content every week. And if you're just getting started with crypto, then you may be wondering what's the difference between a coin and a token, so I recommend watching this video next. It's been Ollie from Get Geek Finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.